Welcome back to a new video today. Today we got a new video on the channel, new vlog on the channel. We're going camping for the weekend, boys. We're going down to the dunes, Indiana for a weekend trip. Jake is back in the video. He's gonna be the camp master, dude.
Camp master?
He's gonna be building the tent and doing everything while I sit on my ass doing nothing.
You would do that.
But yeah, that's how it's gonna be. So yeah, we're just getting on the road trip now. We're on the way there. I'll bring you guys along with a couple updates throughout the road trip. But yeah, let's go, boys. Well, my fellow weebs, we're about 10 minutes into the drive.
10 minutes, been like 20.
More like 20, 25, 30. But yeah, you can see the Chicago skyline right there. We're gonna be passing through the city on the way to Indiana. But yeah, it's a beautiful skyline. Nothing beats the Chicago skyline in my opinion. Such a beautiful city, and a dangerous one too, which is a sad thing about it. Well, boys, yeah, let's go. Well, boys, just a little update. We are in Indiana. We just made it past the border. I forgot to get the sign. I wasn't paying attention. I was putting music on. Well, boys, but yeah, we're in Indiana now. So we're almost to the campsite. We're gonna be there soon. We're gonna do some hiking first, and then we'll go to the campsite afterwards. We also got to go to the store and get some food. So we got a lot of content today. So yeah, let's go. But yeah, we're doing some hiking right now. Got some trees all around us.
We're gonna pull a Logan Paul.
Yeah, we are.
We're gonna film a dead body.
Yeah, we're gonna find a dead body here and we're gonna film it. It's gonna be very interesting. Look at all these trees on the ground just randomly sitting here. Pretty interesting. But yeah, boys. It's pretty beautiful out there. It's a beautiful day. It's like 70 degrees right now. Absolutely gorgeous. I want to see the beach maybe. Well, boys, a little bit farther down in the back path, like maybe a mile and a half, we made it to this really cool area with the lake and everything, with the open view and everything. It looks very pretty and everything. Really cool in my opinion. But yeah, pretty awesome place this has been so far. Well, boys, we made it to the campsite. Jacob, the master of the tent, is over there putting the tent together. I'm not helping him because I'm lazy. I'm just kidding, I'm helping him.
He's not helping.
But yeah, we made it to the campsite. It's a really nice campsite. It's really flat land. It's beautiful out here. It's a beautiful night tonight. It's gonna be a cold tonight. It's gonna supposed to get down to 40 tonight at night. But yeah, we got sleeping bags and a whole bunch of other stuff to keep us warm. But yeah, boys, we're gonna be cooking some food soon. We also gotta go pick up some firewood. We picked up all our food, but yeah, we got a whole bunch of stuff. I'll show you what we have. But yeah, our dumbasses forgot firewood, but we got some marshmallows for marshmallows later. We're gonna make some biscuits and gravy tomorrow morning. We got Mellow Yellow for drinks. We also got a whole bunch of Coke for drinks. And Coke, we're making like kebabs with steak tonight with some baked beans. Then we're gonna have tacos tomorrow for dinner. And then eggs and bacon for breakfast. Got lots of good food over the weekend. But yeah, boys, we're gonna get it done. Yeah. Boys, we're getting some dinner ready. I'm gonna be cutting this up, this pepper and this onion with the steak. It's gonna make some kebabs. It's gonna be really good and fire. Plus, we're also gonna make some baked beans and I guess some corn as well. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with the cooking. Well, boys, this is the final product. Got some onions on there, some beef and steak, and some green pepper. Let me know what you guys think down in the description. We're gonna cook up these kebabs and eat some food. Then we're just gonna chill by the campfire and have a good night. But yeah, boys, I'll check in with you guys later. See you in a bit. But yeah, these look really good. They're gonna be amazing. Well, boys, we're at day 2 today for the camping trip. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. We just got done making breakfast and making food in the fire. Gonna go do some more hiking. and probably go to this one really cool place. It's like this train and like a garden and everything. We're thinking about going there as well to do some like just have fun and just go on a train around the garden maybe and do some hiking. But yeah, let's go. Right now we're walking through the campsite, entire campsite area. It's very beautiful here. This is the Dunes, Indiana, in case anyone's interested. You guys should come here. It's pretty awesome. We're walking to this hiking trail down like 10 minutes away because there was no parking. So yeah, we're gonna go over there. Gotta get some footage over there. But yeah, boys, it's a beautiful area. It's really nice. Yeah. Lake now. And it's absolutely beautiful. Next we're gonna go see Lake Michigan over by the beach and everything. But yeah, this looks pretty awesome. Really cool. Well boys, we finally came across the ocean. It's beautiful. No, I'm kidding, it's just Lake Michigan. But it looks like the ocean. It's insane how beautiful this is. It's amazing. This is absolutely amazing. There's a big ass boat out there. It's like a yacht or something.
A yacht?
Or
You know those are cargo.
cargo boats. There's a big ass cargo boat out there. Right there, there's the big ass cargo boat. That thing's huge. Wow, that is crazy. Well guys, we made it. I'm inside the beautiful waters. You got to my feet. This is beautiful. It feels so nice and cold. Amazing. But yeah, this is honestly amazing. The waves are pretty big. Not too big. Look at that. It looks insane. Look at that. That is so cool. It's like the ocean. That's crazy. Well, boys, we're about to walk up these giant ass set of stairs. Man, the view better be worth it up there because I'm already worn out as can be today. This view better be worth it. Hopefully. But we'll see, guys, when we get up there. Well, we made it to some dunes, boys. We're gonna go check them out. They're really large sand dunes. They're huge. We're gonna go up there.
Did you think the temples from Minecraft?
We're gonna go up that stairs right there. Hopefully the view is really nice up there. We're gonna go check it out. But yeah, honestly, this Indiana Dunes State Park is probably my favorite camping spot I've been to besides Devil's Lake. Easily one of the best. Well, we made it to a cool area. We're up on the dunes and we went up the stairs and everything. Really beautiful here. You see Chicago in the distance over there. Very hard to tell though. But yeah, and then there's Indiana over there. Right now we're walking down the stairs to the beach. We just literally went up those dunes and then by the sand, and then we're just entered into this beautiful forest area. Like going from one nature to another. Pretty freaking awesome. Absolutely beautiful. We're up on this bridge right here. See all around us and everything. It is awesome. It looks amazing. I'm not cut out for this. Look at how far Jake is ahead of me. He's all the way down there already. I'm over here taking my sweet old time. Whew, this is exhausting. I'm just going down the stairs now. We went up multiple stairs and down and up and up again. Honestly, lots of exercise today. It's good for me though. I need to exercise more often. But yeah, pretty nice area here as well with the trees and everything. Beautiful. Oh, we made it to another beach. Here's the ocean once again. It's awesome seeing this ocean. We have an ocean here in Indiana, which is pretty freaking awesome. But yeah, I'm tired and out of it. But yeah, it's pretty awesome that we have an ocean here. Cool as hell. Even though it's actually Lake Michigan. But yeah, it's like the ocean. Well, boys, we're finishing up for the night. We're gonna be heading home soon. We're taking down the tent. We're making some tacos for dinner. Then we also got some hatch corned beef and corned beef hash. Yeah, I'm excited to try that. It sounds extremely good, but it's also really bad for you. But I don't care. I'm on a trip. I can eat and drink whatever I want. But yeah, boys, we're just packing up here. Everything we got packing up. Got some taco meat right there. We got some quesadillas and everything. But yeah, this is the end of the trip. We're finishing up soon. I'll do one more update before I go, and that's the end of the vlog. Okay, boys. Well, boys, we made it back to Chicago. Look at that. There's the beautiful skyline all lit up. The skyline looks amazing. But yeah, it's beautiful and all good, boys. Well, yeah. Boys, look how beautiful this is. The city of Chicago lit up at night. This is honestly probably my first time actually seeing it up person like this in a long time. I just lit up like this. I've only ever seen it in a plane. Never like up close like this. It is really awesome and cool. Well, boys, that's the end of the vlog for this video. I'm back at home. So we're gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, my fellow weebs. Bye. 君の虜になってしまえばきっと